with money, 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 money. Pull up, so tell the DJ money. Pull up, cause we no care, we no like we. Anything we want, we a buy it.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a nice little get ready with me. I've been MIA for a little bit. I was on vacation, back to work, and then I'm just like, all over the place. So today I was like, let me just do something like a get ready with me. Why not? Whatever, just throw some content out there. But I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Hi guys. So today I wanted to try another makeup look. I wanted to go for more of a warm tones, but when I say warm, I still want color. So I want to do like a warm purple, a warm like, you know, burgundy, maybe an orange. I haven't decided just yet, but we'll see how this plans out for me. But that's the goal. As you see on my face, I had a weird couple months. Like I just had random breakout sessions, and as you can see, as a result, I have all these blemishes. I'm working on it. I really am. I've been using a lot of green tea, vitamin E oils, tea tree oils, and all that stuff, and it's gotten a lot better, but I still have a long way to go. I'm on the fence about a chemical peel, just because I don't want my face peeling for a week, but I do want these blemishes gone, so we'll see how that goes. All right. Oh, don't mind my ratchet nails. So I had to cut them all off because I broke one. These are my real nails. I broke my real nail and I had to cut them all down. I had to start fresh. It's all right though. It's cool. I'm gonna be alright. Just don't mind my ratchet nails for now. Okay, I'm usually not like this, I promise. All right, I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using my Aina palette that I got for myself. This is starting to become a necessity and a fave. I have all the colors I love in here. I get my warm tones, and then I get a little bit of color and shimmer and a base tone. I love that. I literally love warm tones, and I also love to have some color. I'm trying to switch it up, but this palette is the truth. Buy it. Let's go with Urban Decay Shadow Primer. This color right here is called Big Wig. Right here. Great purple color. Now I want to do like more of a shimmer on the inner corners like I usually do, because that's just, I don't know, I just like that look. You know, a dull base, and then I added a little pop in the front corner. I love it. Now I'm going to go in with this side of the brush. I'm going to blend in a little bit more. I'm not a makeup artist, but I know blending's key. Oh, I'm loving it. Spooky bitches. Okay, so what I'm also going to do is add a little bit more color, just because I feel like being a little dangerous. So I'm going to add a glittery white right in the inner corner, and hopefully that just brings it all together. But if not, I'm still gonna fucking rock it, because I'm not taking off all this fucking makeup. Okay. All right. So the glitter, I forgot to tell you guys, sorry. The glitter, purple glitter that I put in is called Shookington, because it does have me shooketh, like, ooh, okay. And then I went in with trust issues on the corners. Get you this palette, ladies. If you don't got it already, you need to get it. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting on my foundation and all that good stuff. I usually go in with the Pro Conceal. I get an orange tone because I need to cover up my blemishes. If you're a warmer color, usually you use a warm orange to like a yellow kind of tint to cover up your blemishes. If you're a lighter color, you're using greens and yellow. So the foundation I've been using lately is the NYX Total Control Deep Drop Foundation. I don't know. I'm still testing it out. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. We'll see how I feel like makeup comes out. Now I'm gonna start my contour. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. I actually got this from Marshall's for only 20 bucks. So ladies, check out Marshall's. Now I'm gonna go on with some blush. I usually don't use blush, but lately I've been adding it as a subtle look. And I kind of like it. I really do, to be honest. So I'm going to go in with some blush. I'm using the E.l.f. palette because I usually don't use blush. But I saw this, so I was like, let me give it a try. Like, add it to my routine. So. I'm going to add some highlight. The highlight I use is from Mercier, and it's called Seduction. And this is such a deep chocolate. I love this highlight. I love it because it's just a little subtle glow. Like, look at that highlight though. But I'm gonna outline my lips first. Hitting. Well, thanks guys. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I have more content coming soon. I know I've been MIA, but I'm trying. Bye guys.
Yo, tell the DJ.